Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add assignments and set deadlines using your Class Hub. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your dashboard. First, I'm going to open my dashboard. Next, I click on Class Hub, and then I log into my classes. For this tutorial, I'll be working with my JS1 Diamond class, so I'll go ahead and enter the JS1 Diamond class. Step 2. Enter Class Console. I will be entering into my JSS1 Diamond class. Click on it to enter your class console. You'll notice that part of your page has loaded already. Step 3. Create the assignment. Now, I'm going to be creating assignment with deadline using my verb topic 1. Click on Add Content. 3. Click on Assignment 4. Click Add Content. Step 4. Set up the assignment details. Now let's fill in our assignment details. Assignment title is verb deadline date December 1st. Time 2 p.m. Under instructions, I'll type compose 5 sentences and underline the verb. This will appear as the task for the students. You can also attach additional resources, but this is optional. Step 5. Scoring and submission settings. Next, maximum score obtainable, set to 50. Text submission setting enable word limit, yes, if needed. Allow file attachment, yes, if needed. Once everything is set, click Create Assignment. Now you can see the uploaded assignment and the instructions. Compose 5 sentences and underline the verb will now appear for your students. And that's it! You've successfully created your assignment project with its deadline. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Enjoy using GMind AI, powered by GoToCourse.